what's the expiration date on that?
This thing.
I'm supposed to be in Roseman right now. It's a little bit of a late night. I kind of slept in a little bit. It's still relatively early, but I accidentally left the backpack here last night. I needed the computer, and I'm also not wearing makeup right now. Oh god, it's terrible, hide it. Well, we're headed up to Rob's, and Sean is joining me today since it is his vacation week from work because holidays, and
I couldn't miss the fun with this.
Put on your seatbelt.
Oh, sorry.
What kind of influence are you trying to put on these people watching?
You have a really good point. That's really bad. Don't ever not wear your seatbelt.
Who would do that?
Sorry, sorry.
So we're gonna probably stop at Mickey D's. I'm finna cop me an egg white delight, double the egg, and be on our way. Alright, so we're almost there. It is actually Rob's birthday, or it was a few days ago, and I wanted to get him something nice, but I know more than anything what'll help him the most is just giving him some cash for his racing season. Now, this isn't a lot, and I wanted to give it to him all in $1 bills, but I'm giving him a couple $100 just to say, you know, thank you for everything, happy birthday, Merry Christmas, and hopefully this goes towards a transmission. Stop with your seatbelt on!
I got it.
I didn't have anything more clever either, so I'm just gonna put it in this McDonald's bag.
Are you just gonna be like, hey, I don't know what?
Should I just ask him to throw this out for me? Good morning.
Good morning.
So we have something we need to talk about first. Happy birthday.
He's raced up.
No? What is this? Am I going to a strip club?
We tried to get all one.
Yeah.
Surprise! Stripper money!
Yeah! Yeah, what is this for? Transmission, here I come.
That was the idea behind it.
Yeah, I like this. This is a good gift.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, so let's jump right into it. We're gonna go ahead and start unloading the pre-pre. For Christmas, I actually already unboxed all this stuff, so let's cut to that real quick so you guys can see what all this is. I'm just gonna go ahead and start opening. Dun dun dun! Look at this. So what this is here are one of two LS6 243 heads ported by Katech. It has been a childhood dream of mine to do heads in a cam on the S14, and I can't tell you how much it means that it's all finally coming together. Oh my god, I'm looking at the viewfinder and I am so happy right now. Here we have the second head, looks similar to the first. What Katech did, you guys, you can kind of see it on the side here. They did a really good job. They did a 5-axis CNC port and valve job on this, and they are offering a deal right now for $4.99 if you ship them your heads. They will do the same. It looks beautiful. I'd highly recommend it. And if you don't already, make sure you follow them on their YouTube and their Instagram. So quick plug for some friends of the channel. On to the next. Bubble wrap? How did they know? So they sent a lot, as you guys can see. Comp cam stickers, fast fuel air spark technology. Oh, cool. These are fender covers whenever I'm working on the car. Oh crap, that's awesome. Wow, this is like a super legit throttle body box. Oh, that was super close. Please do not try this at home. So this is their fast 92 millimeter. Oh, they sent a 102 millimeter. Oh, I was expecting a 92. They sent me a 102. This is, here those bald eagles flying now. I like the packaging too. So this is the fuel rail kit. Fuel rail, push rods, lifters. Well, so here's the whole rocker assembly. Check that out. I'm sweating. Are you guys sweating? I'm sweating. And last, the camshaft. You guys, I'm telling you, childhood dream for me. Yo, legit, I'm getting emotional right now. Y'all thought we were done. Y'all thought we were finished, but we still got one more box. That's a box in a box. Can you guys guess what this is? Oh, this is the Manifold. This right here, this is the fast 102 millimeter intake. Oh, buddy. I am very proud, honored, and happy to say that I have paired with comp cams and Katech to build an awesome, super low-B, crazy NA LS 240 build. So this is gonna be like, I have troubles turning over, like, whoop, how do I do it? Whoop, whoop. We're going full-blown ham, hardcore on the S14. I'm trying to put down some power. With that being said, you guys, that is enough of an unboxing. I definitely feel like I have the right companies backing me on this, and your support, Ecrew. So, cheers. Happy holidays. So huge thank you to CompCams and Katech, you guys. I'm so excited for this. It's like a dream of mine. I'm gonna put all their information in the description below. Go check it out. Katech's offering you a deal right now. It's time to bring the car in. Yo, I was low-key so stoked to get that.
Yeah, we have such nice paint. This is like unwrapping somebody else's Christmas. I know it's gonna be sent in a gun case. That's kind of nice.
So by the way, this is what everybody was commenting on the Instagram, like, wait, did you get 2 cams? Is there another build? No, this is just the valve train, the rockers.
What? Sick.
Lifters, pushers, pullers, righties, tighties, lefties, loosies. You got everything.
What did I say on the video? Ported CNC heads?
Oh, you meant to say CNC heads ported, right?
Yeah, that's what I thought you were supposed to say. So this is the last time you guys are gonna hear the LS sound like this. I think out of spirit of America, we gotta give her a few reps. I'm so excited for the whoop,
Off the
whoop,
brake.
whoop, whoop. Alright, let's do this. Alright, I'm not here to sugarcoat anything, you guys. Did not sleep last night. I am exhausted. And one thing I really enjoy doing is putting my makeup on. So I'm just gonna put some makeup on real quick. It's also gonna help me feel more awake and probably look a little more alive. I know you don't care, but it's something I like doing. And just like that, I feel so much better. Now if only I could escape the cold. You guys are peeing on the ground there. Oh. Okay, cars on the lift, fluids are being drained right now. Sean just disconnected the battery because I am so scared of electricals. Even if it's not powered, I get it. But right now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the exhaust, the drive line, and go from there. Anything smart and witty, Rob?
No, that's good. All I have today is smart-ass comments and like inappropriate humor, so I'm trying to harness it.
Can I just say, after like leaving for Christmas break and the holidays, people normally gain weight. You look like you've lost weight.
You look really good.
You learn how to lie over the holidays, or what's going on?
Oh, it's going.
Oh, got it.
You guys are like those 2 idiots that carry the ladder and swing each other around.
What?
The things trying to go through them. What was that?
Driveline's been disconnected. Trans has been dropped. Currently draining the trans
You've been
fluid.
disconnected. You're disconnected.
There goes my shoes!
Karma's a bitch.
We're gonna need a bigger bucket.
Let's rub. You gonna just go for it in the bottle? Yeah, no problem. Oh God, it's all over me.
It looks like blood.
Beautiful.
Oh, super light. I look forward in life to summer. If I'm not going snowboarding, I at least want it to be warm. So right now we're disassembling basically everything that's hooked up to the engine, and then we're gonna drop it from the bottom. If you ever want to piss Rob off, ask him to repeat something.
That's horrible. What am I supposed to say to that? What was that?
Which ones is it?
Yeah, that whole kit.
The whole thing?
The whole kit is to it.
So every single
The
one of
whole
these?
kit. They're in the same package. The whole package. I see what you're doing. And it is not going to work.
Yo, Rob, you straight up took a bite out of
Shark
this.
bite! Baby shark!
Baby shark, do, 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 baby.
Sharks don't sing to
Baby shark sing. Pull the motor.
Pull the motor.
Pull the motor. All right, we're gonna lift it up a little and see what gets stuck.
If we're gonna make sure everything is separating properly, we're gonna see what gets stuck.
All right, freedom fighters, let's get this engine out.
It's like we're gonna go off-road. You wanna go off-road? We're gonna go till we get stuck.
There's a couple lines that were zip tied that we need to unzip tie to get the motor out. That should do it. Let's bring her up again.
Coming up.
Coming up. All clear. Shifter's kind of gone through. Yeah, what about
Is it separated?
steering column? All right, keep going. I've never actually seen the trans tunnel on this. I'm low-key kind of excited to see how they massaged it out. Something's getting stuck?
Yeah, you have the trans wire in. There's a top plug to the trans that isn't undone. Wrench, socket.
Let's try a socket wrench.
What?
Socket wrench.
A wrench or a socket?
Socket wrench.
Okay, you're telling me both things that I said. Would you like a socket or a wrench?
A socket wrench. Thanks.
I'm gonna sock you with a wrench.
I'll wrench you with a socket.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what the hell this is. I think this is the O2 sensor. Or the connection for the O2 wire.
Socket, right?
Socket?
Deep or shallow?
A wrench.
You want a socket wrench?
A wrench. Thank you.
Oh my god, you smell like BO.
All those man hours you put into this.
It's not the brake fluid or the trans fluid.
No, I don't smell that. It's the man hours I'm putting
in. The man hours smells like hard work and dedication. That's what it smells like.
I don't know whether I'd rather be just wet and warm or cold and dry. Well, now that the engine's out, you know, we could always just forego our plans and 2JZ swap the thing.
13B? Yeah. Let's 20B outside. Oh, I'm really hoping to get less track time this year. Thinking of heart transplant. What's wrong with your heart? Nothing, Doc. I just figured I wanted a new one. Coming up, about 8 inches.
Rob, if you're telling every girl that's 8 inches, they're not going to be too thrilled.
You're right, that's about 10.
Coming out. There she is! Alright, now the engine's out, it's time to start disconnecting everything. So it looks like we're experiencing a little bit of blow-by with the LS. Rob, we pointed out to the folks?
Yeah, it's this little bit of residue of oil. It's a little excessive. We're not seeing anything out of the exhaust when running, and it's not fouling plugs or anything, so it isn't a huge deal.
So with that being said, I think I'm going to take the super cool carbon fiber quarter turn Mishimoto catch can that I originally gotten for the RB. Instead, when I go home tonight, I'm gonna come back with that tomorrow so we can use that. Really what we're looking for is the piston rings, and the car was running super rich for a super long time, and that could be why, but the catch can's gonna help. Oh, he finished.
Good.
All right, you guys, so this is the first time in 7 years I'm going to be seeing this clutch. It has never been changed. Everyone says it's the first thing that's going to go, but it's held up perfectly fine. I'm very eager to see what it looks like. It's going to be completely deteriorated.
What's the first thing to go in my car? Savings.
Just when I was telling you guys about how I was excited about the clutch, I remember I told you I was excited about the trans tunnel, but didn't even actually look at it. It pretty much looks exactly like the S13's, hammered out.
What? That one looks way nicer. He's like so offended by this.
What do you mean it looks nicer than the S13?
This is Rob. Douche. Douche. Yeah, that'll clear. Supporting it like Rob's last relationship.
So should I let go now?
Oh, he's out. He's out.
So funny, it's almost my sex life. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Couple
Do you
days
think that's
away.
why my pedal gets stuck on the floor sometimes?
God, Jesus.
What was the, your mama's so old that her tits like breast milk.
Her tits ain't like breast milk. It said her breast milk is like a dit. Okay. Your mom was so old, her
Yes.
tits were like breast milk. What?
Yeah. The worst attempt at a joke.
Your mom was so old, nipples. Like, it makes no sense.
Look at that.
Oh, that's still good.
Even wear looks great. No hot spots.
Looks like you're cooking.
It looks like a turtle shell.
Yeah, it looked like word. Nah.
Your shoes remind me of what my tires look like at the end of a track day.
They actually totally do.
Skylar's underwear reminds me of a burnout.
Yeah. So now that that's done, we're gonna start cleaning up because we've had several late nights and we're gonna come back here early in the morning and get a long day tomorrow and hopefully do a first start assuming that nothing goes wrong. Alright, Jay's was closed, so we came to Guido's.
With extra bacon.
Alright you guys, that is the end of the video. It is freezing cold and I just realized by looking in the bathroom mirror that I cut my face somehow. I don't know when that happened, but I'm sure when I'm editing it, the video, I will find out. But it is freezing. That is pulling the engine for today. I'm really excited. We'll be installing the heads in cam tomorrow. Even more so excited for that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye! Also, I understand in that last clip I wasn't just wearing my seatbelt, but that's because we were in a parking lot. Love you guys. Goodbye. Bye.